light power security. I'm Zata, so it's gonna be my first lesson with you. I'm super stoked to have you here as I take you through this course. So I will be sharing my knowledge and insights on how to stay safe online, identify vulnerabilities, and protect ourselves from cyber threats. Um, so today we are going to learn about websuite, um, websuite in Kali Linux. Please subscribe to my channel and like all my videos so that you won't miss any. So we are going to talk about websuite today, um, which is the most important topic and also is the most important tool which is used for solving or finding vulnerabilities. So what is that you call websuite? Here's a quick definition for websuite. So websuite is a comprehensive platform for performing security testing of web applications. It's a powerful tool that helps identify and exploit vulnerabilities in a web application. Um, these vulnerabilities, they are weaknesses that we need to solve, or we need to point out when we are doing penetration testing. So there are key components or core components that we have on the dashboard of websuite. Number one, we have Proxy. We also have Intruder. There is RIA. We have a repeater. We also have what we call a sequencer. We also have a decoder. We have a comparer. We have an extender. We have so many tools that we find on the dashboard of a website. So what do you mean when we talk about the dashboard? It is the main hub where you can see the overall status of your project when doing a project on finding vulnerabilities or solving some vulnerabilities. There will be an active scan also, and any issues that you have been identified, like the task is the issues, the scope, and also the event logs. So also Proxy is the main tool on the dashboard, which got so many features. It also can be used on for catching. What do you mean when we say for catching? We mean that it can catch frequently accessed resources, so that when other users request for something, it can be saved faster without hitting the original save again. It's also used for content filtering. So some proxies, especially corporate ones, they block certain websites or content categories like social media, gambling, adult stuff. Why? To keep people focused or safe. It's also used for load balancing. What do you mean when you say load balancing? Um, it's a it's a distribute of incoming traffic across multiple servers, so no single server gets overloaded. It's also used for security purpose. It can also be used for data modification, for login, monitoring, access control, and etc. So we can talk about it allows you to intercept and modify requests and responses between your browser and your target application, right? um, we go to the key features. There are so many key features on the websuite dashboard. What are these key features? What are they for? um, yeah, I've wrote in point forms. They intercept and modify in HTTP, our hypertext transfer protocol requests and responses. Uh, they also are there for scanning for vulnerabilities. They create a sitemap of the target application. They are there for automating attacks with what? With the intruder. We have the benefits of using what a BEP suite. There is a comprehensive platform for web application security testing. It's a powerful tool for identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities. It's also highly customizable with with extensions. These are the benefits of using this website. So now I'm on my Kali Linux. We want to see how we use this websuite community edition, or how do we actually install this websuite community edition on Kali Linux. So I'm going to put my password here to open this sorry, it's the wrong one. Oh, I'm sorry, let me try again. My caps lock is on. Sorry guys. Right, so this is my Kali Linux. So I'll go to terminal emulator. So we first have to install our websuite to in order for us to use it. If you don't have websuite community edition, I advise you to install it. So here we install our website, and I put my password as well. I put my password here. So it says I have already installed my website here. So as for me, I do have it. So I say clean. We open website now. Here is our community edition of websuite. Say OK. We say next here. Say start websuite. Now the project is starting. Depending on what vulnerabilities that you really need to solve, and to also to manage or to fix. I'll teach you guys on how we solve vulnerabilities. Here is my dashboard. This is the live stream dashboard that you have in your website. As we see, we have a target, we have a proxy, we have intruder, repeater, and all these they are the key components that we find on the dashboard of um, of our website. We have intruder here. This is the intruder key. Intruder is actually a tool for automating customized attacks against any web application that we are there for. And we also have a repeater here. This is the repeater. The repeater works as to enable you to resend individual requests to test various inputs and identify potential vulnerabilities. We have a sequencer, which is used for testing the randomness and unpredictability of session tokens. We also have a decoder, which works as to encode and decode our data. So it works both sides on encoding, and also it also works for decoding our data depending on the data that we're trying to figure it out. We have a comparing here. Actually, this function lets you to do a word or for a bi-level comparison between different data. It's also used for comparing two pieces of data from I don't know what kind of vulnerability that we are working for, right? We have extend I don't see an extender here. Extender it allows you to extend the web series functionality with custom extensions. We have a Burp collaborator here. I think I've left it. This is the Burp collaborator. It enables you to test whether you can induce an application to interact with external services via DNS, HTTP, SMTP. So this type of testing makes you to get the vulnerability, the ones that you need to have in a sequence of different vulnerabilities on your website, easier to discover. Mostly maybe there will be blind vulnerabilities that you need to figure out. So going back to the main tool here, Proxy, there is what we call intercept. It's more like a robot, a green robot and a red robot. So what does it mean when the intercept is off? And also what does it mean here? You can see it's off, it's already off. You can click it. Now it's on, meaning we are on the red button. When we put it off, we on the green robot. It means when it's off, it means to flow freely. To flow freely. I don't know. These vulnerabilities are flowing freely without intercepting to each other. When it's off, here I click on. It means to pause the request that we have signed. So for what we call so basically a proxy isn't just for seeing or tampering with traffic. It can also speed things up, protect you, it can hide you, or even control what you can access. So this is about Pepsuit. We will learn as time goes on. There is also a HTTP history. This is the history that for what we have done, the vulnerabilities that you have accessed in before sending to Intruder, before sending to the repeater. So guys, this is all about Pepsuit. We'll talk more, we'll go deeper when we need to solve a certain vulnerability. We will manage to have automation replace everything. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please share your comments, let's a like, and also subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video. Thank you.